friends, my name is Lauren and I'm a librarian at the Cranford Public Library. Welcome to week 6 of our We're Gonna Make It challenge. Each week I'll give you a new idea of something to build or make, and this week's theme is a window or yard decoration. I'm going to show you how to make a fun little window cling, but remember you can make whatever you'd like using whatever materials you have access to. I have gathered a piece of cardboard, some scissors, tape, markers, most importantly some clear cling wrap. And if you don't want to draw by hand, you can find a coloring book with some nice illustrations in it. I have this really fun art book by Taro Gomi. I'm going to try to find a good picture in here to use as the base of my window cling. Perfect, I love this little mustache on this person, so I'm going to cut this page out of my book. Perfect, now that I have my model, I'm going to secure this page to my cardboard using a little bit of tape. Just a quick announcement, we're going to be using cardboard tubes in next week's build, so be sure to save as many cardboard tubes as you can. The more you have, the more fun the project will be. Once your picture is secure, it's time to put a piece of saran wrap on top of it. It's a good idea to cut a bigger piece of cling wrap than you think you need, because the tape can be difficult to get off and you may need to cut it free at the end. Now it's time to tape our cling wrap on top of our drawing. If you feel like creating your own drawing, that's incredible. You'll still want to tape your cling wrap down to a piece of cardboard to make it a little more secure and easier to draw on. Once your cling wrap is secure, it's time to draw. I've got this nice big Sharpie. I don't have any washable markers to test out how this works with those, I'm so sorry, but feel free to test that out at home. See what markers draw best. I have a feeling it might need to be permanent markers. Now, I was inspired by this little guy, but you may find that there's something else that inspires you. Maybe there's a character that you like. Something that a lot of people are doing is putting a rainbow or a teddy bear in their window. This is a great way to participate in that. What's important is that you find something that inspires you. I love this little guy, but I think that he's missing something. I'm gonna add a little earring and maybe like a funny little hat. Okay, so we've got our earring and our tiny little hat. I think we're just about done. This part can be a little bit tricky. It's time to remove our tape. Sometimes it comes right off, and sometimes I have to cut it off. I think it comes down to luck and taking a little bit of care. Like I said, this part can be a tiny little bit of a pain. I ripped my edge a little bit, so I'm just gonna go over and cut a nice straight line. And here it is. Let's take a look at our finished window cling. Hey. Here's a window cling I made 5 weeks ago when I was thinking about dinosaurs. Still going strong. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create a window cling. Remember, you can make any sort of window or yard decoration that you'd like. When you're done, have a grown-up send a photo of your creation to library@cranfordnj.org or post it directly in the comments below. This week you'll have a little bit more time to submit your photos. They'll be due by Tuesday. We'll be making a gallery on Wednesday. Plus, better still, your photos will be included in next week's We're Gonna Make It video. So be sure to get those in. I can't wait to see what you create.